Hello everyone. Today we will review the book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Philosophical and Sociological Basis of Education. It's B.Ed Semester 2 Jammu book. It's in Hindi medium. So let's review it. Vinod Publications book. Now it's written by Dr. R.K. Safaya. And in Hindi its name is शिक्षा के दार्शनिक और सामाजिक आधार. First of all, I will talk about syllabus. Syllabus, it's mentioned unit wise. Unit 1, contribution of Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Aurobindo Ghosh. Then next topic is characteristics of secular education, classroom and non-violence. Then unit wise it's mentioned. Unit 2, conceptual of metaphysics. In unit 3, all the topics are mentioned. Unit 4. Now you will see contents. Contents are mentioned unit wise, and in unit 1 the same thing which was there in syllabus, like the first topic, contribution of Mahatma Gandhi, same thing is in content also, which shows that the contents here cover everything which was there in the syllabus. The next topic is characteristics of secular education. Like you can also check that you can also check that 7 topic, welfare state, role of importance and teachers, in unit 3. So in syllabus also unit 3 is welfare state, role of importance of teachers. So everything is clearly visible here, and so contents are there until unit 4, which were same in the syllabus. So contents cover everything. So now we can also check the page number which are mentioned here. For example, you can check anything, like in unit 4, 11 topic is national integrating, page number 22, 221, 222, 221 to 241. So we can check also on page 221, is it there or not. Let me check, give me a second. So like you can check national integration, role of teachers, factors for against remedies. So it's clearly there. We can also check one more. So like conceptual of metaphysics, page 75 to 91, is it there or not. Page number 75 to 91, page number 75, metaphysics, it is clearly there, and it's till till the last page, which is there, it is 91, which was clearly mentioned in the contents also, that it will be till 75 to 91. Now we will check that it's clearly in Hindi medium, and the topics are clearly, everything is clearly explained. The content matter is definitely written in both English and Hindi, so that it will be comfortable for the viewer to watch, but the matter is completely in Hindi medium. So you can also check this book and buy it. Its pages are 264 pages. Everything is discussed in detail and in a way which is clearly understood by the viewer. It's very easy and very simple to read by the reader. So its price is 299.50 rupees, as you can see, and in the last page all the other books are mentioned in there. You can clearly see. So its price is 299.50. You can order it from Flipkart and Amazon. So you can also check their website www.vinodpublications.com, and you can buy it from there also. It is all available at all bookstores also. Any bookstore near your house, you can buy this book from it, and you can also Google the phone number of this publishing house, Vinod Publications, and you can call them directly and they can give you the book. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube also you can check. Their books are available on their websites also. So this is a bestseller book. I completely recommend it because I have purchased it just few weeks back, and I have seen that it is a very good book, and it will definitely help help us in exams. So a must buy book. I definitely recommend this book, Philosophical and Sociological Basis of Education. Do buy this book, and it's semester 2, and do buy this book, and you should purchase this book. It's really good.